Hey, good to see you found our Shopify app. Let us introduce ourselves. This is Tent, our master coder who never sleeps.
And this is Sander, who basically does the rest.
And together we are Toolify Studio. Finally, a Shopify app to easily import and manage your shipping rates in just a few steps. Make sure your shipping rates in Shopify are right and up to date. As we all know, setting up shipping rates in Shopify can be a very time consuming and complicated process. We are here to improve that process. We will make it simple and updatable with just a few clicks. Step 1. Import your carrier rates through direct API imports like SendCloud or through a CSV file. In the near future, we'll be adding more direct API connections. Any suggestions? Let us know. Step 2. Filter which carriers and countries to export to Shopify and to show in your checkout. Filter your data on weights, carriers, continents, or countries. Step 3. Adjust shipping prices and set variable prices, round prices, or add a markup margin. Display your data on a map of the world. Step 4. Review groups. Create and review shipping profiles before exporting and disable individual rates for specific regions or countries based on your needs. Step 5. Filter and select the products you want to assign to your new shipping profile. Set your shipping profile name, select which locations, and export them to your store in one click. When the sync is completed, you can open your new shipping profile and see the details that are sent to Shopify. Thank you for watching this demo. We hope you liked it. If you want to have more information or chat with us, please visit our website. You can find the link in the video description. You will also find a link to our Shopify app page to install the app.